The dash is a little bit cracked, but I'm gonna make it black and tan. This cover for the steering wheel needed painted. I painted the floor with Rust-Oleum paint, and you can see it worked really well. You get the mileage, says it all, 36,000. And the story goes, this is a truck that I've seen since I was a kid. It's a 1984 F-150, and it has its miles hauling coal and trapping. It was a trapper that my dad knew since I was a kid, and I've been seeing this truck. Had an old gas, so I had to put gas treatment in it. It's about 2-year-old gas, and half tank's been put in since. 4 pumps. "26 degrees this morning." Starts right up. You can see it needs front fenders. Metal's in perfect condition, and a little Rust-Oleum paint. 4 cans of spray paint. Make it look pretty nice. There's the shape of the bed. All original paint there. Just sprayed the frame. A nice look. Original tailpipe muffler. Now I'm going to replace the grill and emblem. Hands are replacing the marker lights and the new rims and tires. Save them old rims and hubcap. I just brought this here as a memory. We fixed it up, repainted it, put new exhaust, Flowmaster 10, Super Flowmaster. You would have really appreciated this truck. We used it trapping. And put a few things on. Don't tread on me. Kept it somewhat original. It's metallic, metal, iron. Look to the grill, that's different. Don't see a whole lot like that. Let's take a look inside this Butte. Built Ford tough. And we painted these door panels, 6 coats of paint, automotive paint. The dash, put a new speaker in, new radio from eBay. The original seat, now you don't see them every day. Especially that pattern. I like the old bench seats, they're nice. Bed liner, all new paint in the bed. Bed was immaculate. It had a bed liner in it, so now I just put a mat and a tailgate protector. Let's take a look inside this. Original 32,000 mile engine. Just replaced the valve cover gaskets. Tightened up a few bolts on the oil pan, new distributor and wires, and went over a few belts. But this thing is in great shape and cleaned a lot. Cleaned up really nice. Painted a few things. Now let's give her a start. Old carburetor runs really good. I think you'd be proud.